The PZL.38 Wilk, Wolf, was a Polish twin-engine heavy fighter and fighter-bomber developed by the state-owned PZL aircraft factory during the mid-1930s. It was created to replace several aircraft types at once, including escort fighters, light bombers, and attack aircraft. The project reflected the growing international interest in heavily armed, long-range twin-engine combat aircraft. Development began in 1934 after the Polish Air Force issued a requirement for a multi-role combat aircraft. The winning design was produced by engineers Franciszek Misztal and Eugeniusz Dąbrowski, drawing on aerodynamic solutions developed for the successful PZL.38 Wilk bomber. The aircraft featured an all-metal semi-monocoque fuselage, a cantilever low wing with leading-edge slats and split flaps, twin vertical stabilizers, and retractable landing gear that folded into the engine nacelles. The Wilk was designed around the innovative PZL Foka inverted V8 engine developed by Stanisław Nawkunski. The engine promised up to 600 horsepower on takeoff while remaining compact and lightweight. However, Nawkunski's death in 1936, followed by persistent overheating and vibration problems, delayed development for years. To keep the project alive, one prototype received American Ranger SGV 770B engines, but they produced only about 420 horsepower and failed to deliver the required performance. The aircraft carried a planned fixed 20mm FK cannon, two 7.92mm machine guns in the nose, and a twin 7.92mm defensive machine gun operated by the rear crewman. It could also carry a single 300 kilograms, about 661 pounds, bomb beneath the fuselage. Advanced equipment included blind flying instruments, a reconnaissance camera, landing light, and a bomb release pantograph for dive bombing. Two prototypes were completed. The PZL-38-2 first flew in April-May 1938 with Ranger engines, while the PZL-38-1 appeared at the 1938 Paris Air Show before flying in early 1939 with Foka engines. Both aircraft proved overweight, reaching an empty weight of 2,155 kilograms, about 4,750 pounds, instead of the planned 1,715 kilograms, about 3,780 pounds. The excessive weight reduced payload dramatically and prevented the aircraft from achieving its intended speed and range. Flight testing confirmed that the program could not meet Polish Air Force requirements. In the spring of 1939, development of both the Wilk and the Foka engine ended. PZL redirected its efforts toward the improved PZL-38 Lampart, which was to use more powerful radial engines, but the German invasion of Poland in September 1939 stopped the project before construction began. Both Wilk prototypes remained at the Okęcie factory, were captured by German forces in damaged condition, and disappeared after the occupation. Today, the PZL-38 Wilk survives only in photographs, drawings, and historical records, representing an ambitious but ultimately unsuccessful step in the evolution of Polish military aviation before the Second World War.